So, my name is Adil Gupta. I'm from third A class. Today, I'm going to tell you about uses of water. We need water for drinking, bathing, washing. We need water for mopping, cleaning, cooking. We need water for irrigation, planting. Also, we need water for electricity, etc. Second point, how we store water. We store water in tubs, clay pot, water tanks, sumps, etc. Now I'm going to tell you about some other things of water. Water have no taste, no color, no shape. Water have no color, no shape, no taste. Water have three forms like ice, water vapor. Ice is solid form, water is liquid form, and water vapor is gas form. Now you know that water is our basic need and we need water. We should save water, we should not waste water. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Vaishnavi. I am studying in third A in Kendra Vidyalaya DGQA. Today I am going to tell how to save water. Remember to close taps when you are not using it. Try to bath with 1 bucket of water. When you are washing vehicles, you should not waste water. We can use waste water from AquaGuard from our house for gardening, for washing vessels, for cleaning vehicles and etc. You can collect rainwater also for many uses. Don't pollute water bodies. Don't put waste in water bodies. Every drop of water is precious for our life. Thank you.
My name is Nikhil. I'm studying in third. I'm going to talk uses of water. Water is very important for all living things. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, etc. Firemen need water to put off the fire. Electricity and agriculture need more water. Factory and industry need more water. Rain is the main sources of water. Pond and river, lake, etc. are the sources of water.
Good evening. My name is Shubhranshu Shekhar Das. I study in third A. Today I speak about uses of water. We all need water to live. We use water for drinking and cooking food. We use water for bathing. We use water for washing clothes and fruits and vegetables. We use water for our washing our vehicles. We use water for our pets. We use water for agriculture field. We use water for plantation. We use water for cotton fire. We use water for producing electricity. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Madheshwaran. I am studying in third year. Now I am going to talk about two important of plants. In water is the important component of life. 75% of Earth contains water, but only 1% fresh water. Loss of water leads to famine, drought, and loss of plants, animals, humans. Water is important our daily activities, cleaning, cooking, bathing, etc. So we can save rainwater through rainwater harvesting. Do not waste water.
Hi everyone, I am Jia Akash, 3rd standard year. Now I am going to tell about uses of water. Water is essential to mankind. Water is very useful for daily activities like brushing, cooking, bathing, cleaning and washing. Water is very useful for agriculture. Water is very useful for providing electricity. Water is very useful for birds and animals. Water gives resource energy. Our body contains 60% of water. Don't waste water. So we need to take care of it for our better future. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm D. Rianjos. I'm going to say about use of water. Use of water: drinking, brushing, bathing, cooking, cleaning, etc. Water is used for agriculture. So don't waste water. Save water. Thank you.